Hi everyone, let's discuss about the HTML document structure. Okay, so in HTML, the basic structure of a document is divided in two main sections. One is head and another one is body. Okay, so one is this one head section and another one is the body section. So in the head section, this head element contains the metadata about the HTML document, and this information it is not visible on the page, but it is important for the browsers, search engines. Okay, because these meta tags, it provides information like char set here. This information char set, author name it can provide, and other viewport settings for the responsiveness. Okay, and we have title tag also. Okay, to name the it provides the name for the browser. Okay, and also we have title tag. What it does, it defines the title of the document. Okay, which appears in the browser tab, you can see there. And this viewport, it defines the responsiveness so that we can view the web page in multiple devices, multiple screen size devices. Okay, and in the mobile devices. Okay, so this is about the head section, and we have the body tag also. Okay, so this body section, it contains all the content that is displayed to the user on the web page. So it includes text, images, videos, forms, and many other things that can be displayed on the web page. So here we can write like h1 tag, hello everyone. Okay, so it will be displayed on the web page. This is content. Okay, so let's check it on the web page. Okay, so it is coming from the body section. Okay, so in short, the head section contains the metadata like title, meta tags, okay, and some external links. Links I will show you. Like I want to refer one style sheet. Okay, that can be placed in the root folder. Okay, here we can create the style.css in the web page. Okay. And we can link it here. We can write all the styles like h1. Okay, we can write all the css here, and we can link it using the link tag. This is the syntax. So the link tag is used to link the external resources such as style sheets to the HTML document. So this is the basic structure of the HTML document.